The required tools are a spanner, pliers, a lock nut wrench, and a special tool called a joint separator. First, loosen the hexagonal nut with the lock nut wrench. Next, pull out the cotter pin using the pliers and then loosen the castle nut. Attach the joint separator so that the upper and lower teeth are parallel. Tie the attached string to the chassis and then tighten the bolt on the tool. This enables you to detach the tie rod end easily using the principle of leverage. Under no circumstances should a hammer be used in this operation, since doing so may result in damage to the threads, cotter pin, or the surrounding area. Pull out the ball stud from the knuckle arm and loosen the screw to remove the tie rod end. Now we'll move on to the installation of the new tie rod end. Insert the tie rod end into the ball shaft on the rack end and tighten the castle nut securely. Insert a cotter pin and make a bend in it. Finally, adjust the toe-in before tightening the hexagonal nut. This completes the installation process.